David. I'm here today to show you some easy car maintenance. Today I'm going to be showing you how to check your wiper fluid and add additional fluid if it's required on any vehicle. Now, wiper fluid is very important, especially in the winter time when your windshield has a tendency to get very muddy and obscures your vision. So it's very important that you keep your reservoir full as often as possible. So I'm going to open the hood of this car here. I'll show you where the reservoir is located underneath the hood and how you can add fluid. How to add fluid, you just simply loosen off that cap and then you gently pour the fluid into the reservoir until it fills up. If your reservoir is very empty, you'll take the entire jug. I tend to keep my car full, so this one's only about quarter way down. Very important that when you're finished, you close the cap here. Make sure no dirt gets within your reservoir because that can plug up the nozzles on your windshield wipers. So now that we have the hood open, the next thing I'd like to show you is how to check your oil in the engine. Now, oil is very, very important for a motor. With too little oil, you have a risk of seizing up your motor. Too much oil, you have a risk of damaging your motor as well. So it's very important that you have the correct amount in there, and to know if you have the correct amount in there, you must check the level. So it's very important that you check your owner's manual for the type of oil that you have in your vehicle. Every vehicle is different, and it can actually vary from season to season. So now that I have the hood open, let me show you where the dipstick is. And the dipstick is what we use to measure the oil within a car. If you look at this vehicle here, on the very inside you'll see an orange handle, which is the dipstick for this car. Now, to check the oil, you simply have to make sure that the engine is cold first and that your vehicle is on a level surface. If those two items are correct, your vehicle is cold and it's level, all you have to do is pull up on the dipstick. You give it a quick wipe with a Kleenex. You push it back down into the hole, making sure that it's properly seated. And then the next time you pull it out, you'll be able to read the oil level. So this vehicle here, in the owner's manual, says that the oil should be between these two lines. This vehicle is at the very top line, so I know that this vehicle has the proper oil level. If it was to exceed that top line, I would have to remove some of the oil or take it to a shop and have them do it. That's as easy as it gets to check the oil level in your vehicle. If you're not comfortable at adding oil yourself, please take your vehicle to a local mechanic and they would be happy to help you.